Let me take you on a quick tour of the book, The Macromanaging Advantage, a Managing Methodology for Leaders. The front and the back cover are there. You can see that elsewhere on our website. And it includes a methodology. And the reason for a methodology is it establishes clarity, documentation, structure, deliberate processes, operating principles, and tools. In the absence of methodology, everything is vague, it's unwritten, it's unstructured. There's randomness, opportunity for chaos, and much frustration. Macromanaging methodology has three primary parts: the leadership statement, the organization diagram, and a managing model. Leadership statement is comprised of 3 to 5 sentences. Foundational beliefs and principles are included in those few sentences. Organization diagram is both hierarchical and functional, and it's important to have a chart or a diagram that includes both views. Managing model has big parts, operating principles, and now more detail about the tools. So in order to operationalize the big parts, first of all, the big parts are vision, customers, management team, and measurements. And all 4 of these weave throughout the entire fabric of the organization. Now, vision is actually a package. It includes vision, mission, purpose, core values, all of those items needed to provide direction, focus, and to build an operating culture within an organization. Customers, it's important to document and understand their view of your organization's operations. Understanding how they see you is a decided advantage for your organization. The management team need to clarify expectations, you need to work together better, and we'll show how the tools help that. Measuring to manage is a cycle. You create reporting, you assess, you adjust, you perform, and then you report. The operating principles are these: people are everything, you deliver big on the small things, you treat organizations as organisms, more collaboration, less control, establish clear goals and expectations, trade accountability for recognition, document all processes, nurture a big picture perspective, confirm the customer is first, commit to ongoing improvement, delegate versus abdicate, seek opportunities for change at all times. The internet-based tools are titled Maintracks, Weekly DNAs, Role DNAs, C-Views, and M2M metrics. The Maintracks clarify and keep the main things the main thing. And you see the layout of this tool. We'll show more of that later. Weekly DNAs keep the management team connected. Their weekly deliverables and activities are shown. And so we have the team, deliverables, activities, and over here everyone on the team has access to everyone's deliverables and activities. Role DNAs, we clarify roles and expectations, and these are not the weekly items, but these are the deliverables and activities that occur while someone is responsible for that role. The C-Views is the customer's view of your organization's operations. It begins with the stages all the way over here of becoming aware of one another, all the way to having an ongoing success relationship, and then each of those stages across the top, and then coming down horizontally, we, in very broad headline form, establish what are the results expected in each of those steps, what are the primary activities in each of those steps, who are the primary contributors in each of those steps, what are the helpers that we have in place that help and enhance how to do those steps, and then what are the reports that we report on in each one of those steps. And then the M2M matrix makes sure we're measuring what is necessary for us to manage. It's a listing of the reports, who creates the reports, how the reports are used, and how the reports and the decisions that they create add value and impact for the organization. In summary, you define your leadership, clarify your organization, operationalize the big parts, no measurements are being used, use supporting internet-based tools, and it creates a collaborating doers environment. The results: everything will run better, performance will improve, and all will have more fun.